So welcome back everyone, it's Jacob from Echo Valley Homestead here, and it's a nice day out here. It's really sunny, and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit more about our Ferguson To-30. So I realize some of you guys out there watching this video probably had one of these growing up. You probably have some pretty good memories of it, and so today I just wanted to bring back some of those good memories and show you guys our Ferguson To-30. Currently on the homestead we own a Ferguson To-30 and a To-20. This one was made in the 1950s, and we actually had a full restoration done on it probably about 10 years ago, I would say. As you can see, the paint job is pretty nice. The one thing about this paint job that we have here on the 30 is this actually isn't the original Ferguson gray. Now our 20 is the original Ferguson gray. We also had that one redone, but this one is a lighter gray. We just kind of honestly like this color a little bit better than the true Ferguson gray. As you can see here, we have a nice emblem on the front. Nice one on the side. That one's chipping a little bit. We do use these tractors a couple times a year, as you can see in some of the other videos that will also be in this same playlist. There are some other videos on there where we use these to rake, grade the driveway, some other little projects around here. So they do get some use, but definitely not as much as our John Deeres. They kind of live their retired life here. We have a couple different headlights than the original ones on here. These are just some headlights that are pretty useful for when we're out working in the dark. You can see the wires are all really nice from when we had this thing redone. But overall, this definitely isn't our main tractor, but back in the day, and for some of you guys watching, I'm sure a Ferguson 30 probably used to be one of your main tractors. So I'm gonna hop on it and I'll show you guys driving it around here a little bit. We gotta turn the gas on first. So our first stop is over here at the gas tank. Gonna fuel it up. Next up, we're going to head down and check the oil. The oil is a little low. I don't know if you can see it there. It's within the range it should be, but it's a little bit low, so we're going to add some in. So now it's all gassed and oiled up. Kind of just the routine checkup on it. Usually we'll do that before we use it for a project, but since we're going over it today, I'll do it anyways. So next, to start it, we just turn the key on. Make sure the gas isn't up all the way. Take it out of gear. First, give it some throttle. thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, this has been Jacob from Echo Valley Homestead. And this video took a lot of different format than most of our videos do. Most of the time we're out doing a project on the farm, but from some of the recent comments and views we got on other videos with the Ferguson, I've realized that some of you guys might not have seen one of these for a while. Maybe you had one growing up, or maybe you helped on a farm with one. So I wanted to bring back some of those good memories to you guys and share the experience with you guys. So if you don't mind, give us a subscribe, like this video, and we have more videos on the Ferguson, so go check those out as well. And also stay tuned, because I'll probably bring out another video like this, but on the To-30.